Hello, job seekers. Welcome to Brainy Bites Academy for you. Today we have multiple openings like Accenture, BHN Network, Deloitte, Snowflake, Airbus, Flowserve, Etology, and then AutoRABIT, Caterpillar, FoundationAi. Let's go one by one. Accenture is hiring for application developer from 0 to 2 years of experience. It is permanent and it is for Pune location. And required skill for this job is like Japanese language. If you see here, like role is application developer and project role and description like Unity design, build and configure applications to meet business process and application requirement and must have Japanese language knowledge. Coming to roles and responsibilities, if you see here, expected to build knowledge and support to the team, participate in problem solving discussions, assist in the documentation and maintenance of application development and all. So for this, you need to have is like must have the skills in Japanese language and good to have the skills like experience with Java and ability to understand and interpret business requirements, translate into them into technical solutions. Yeah, candidate should be based on out of like based on sorry based on Pune location and 15 years of full time education is required. If you see 15 years of full time education for Pune location, yeah, this is about Accenture. Moving into next company that is BHN Black Hawk Network. It is also hiring for software engineer. It is for Bangalore location. And if you see responsibilities, write a clean, reusable, and code that easier to read and test. So, bachelor's degree in knowledge and programming experience in Java, and test and deploy, maintain, improve software. Then communicate with immediate team members such as QA engineers, senior developers, technical implementation details, participation in team meetings, code reviews. These are like day-to-day activities that you need to have. So preferably these jobs require Java with Java technology, and as well as like if you have some like basic knowledge on DB like SQL and some basic knowledge on UI like Angular, React, HTML kind of thing, so that it will be very useful because as it is a software engineer, might be it is like kind of a full stack engineer role. If you see preferred law, if you see in preferred experience with Amazon Web Services like EC2 and experience with container based application development using Docker and then experience with DevOps skills. These are all like skills for this job. Moving into next company that is Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for data analytics for Hyderabad location. And if you see here, key responsibilities work independently on Alteryx workflows, should have expertise in data wrangling logics, prepare dashboards using data visualization and data wrangling tools, applies development framework like guidelines and standards to the tools, and ensure integrity and consistency, actively contributes ideas to develop solutions. Moving into next company that is Snowflake, it is hiring for Pune location. It requires 2026 graduates. It is for data engineer intern. So what they're expecting is like desired class level BE, BTech, ME, MTech progress, and then computer science, software engineering, technology or related field candidates are there looking, and also must be actively enrolled in accredited college or university program during the internship, and strong proficiency in Python for data manipulation, automation, and application development, and solid understanding of SQL also is required for this job. So bonus experiences if you have hands-on experience in Snowflake SQL, then it will be added advantage. This is for 2026 graduates. So yeah, this is about Snowflakes. Moving into the next company that is Airbus. It is hiring for associate system engineer SAP basis for Bangalore location. They are looking for recently or pursuing candidates in BE, BTech, BSc, MCA, or in computer science, information technology, or related fields. Also, SAP basis certification is preferably required, but not mandatory thing. Yeah. And required skills, if you see, these are like educational qualifications. Moving into the required skills, SAP basis fundamentals, and then SAP architecture, SAP GUI, SAP logon, then understanding of client concept, willingness to learn, adapt quickly, and then database. basics like HANA, Oracle, any DB awareness level, like total SAP stuff. If you are more into the SAP, if you have more knowledge on SAP, then this is the best opportunity for you as the recent graduate and pursuing candidate from accredited colleges like and pursuing like BE BTech, then this is the like best opportunity for you people. This is about Airbus. Moving into the next company that is Flowserve. It is hiring for technical support for Chennai location. And coming into the requirements, experience as an IT business analyst, system analyst, programmer, or related occupation is required. Experience supporting various IT systems, then participated in full life cycle application implementation and all, and then BA degree in relevant field or 0 to 2 years of experience in relevant is required. It's like a technical support job where you need to support the customers if they got any issues from their end while using the software, while using the application that is developed by the company, then as a technical support person you need to resolve them those tickets, and you need to understand them that whether that is configuration issue or real issue or real bug that they are facing an issue. So you need to create some incident tickets and you need to resolve them, and you need to conversate with them, you need to work closely with them. This is about that job. Yeah, this is about Flowserve. Moving into next company that is Utology. It is hiring for Python developer location for Ahmedabad. Sorry, Python developer role for Ahmedabad location. And if you see requirements, BE Tech, MCA, MSc, IT, basic understanding of data handling and analysis using Python, familiarity with web technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, exposure to version control systems like Git. Yeah, these are like requirements and preferred skills. They have mentioned RESTful APIs, machine learning, and agile scrum methodologies. If you have knowledge, if you have experience in these skills, then this is the better opportunity for you. Yeah, this is about today's jobs, guys. Until then, please do share, subscribe, comment, and then if you got any calls or any mails from one of my existing postings, you can have the comment over here so that we can have a video. Yeah, this is about today's jobs. Thank you all.